Welcome to EduTube. Science is simple. Vitamin C or ascorbic acid is an essential nutrient for our bodies found in many fruits, especially citrus fruits like lemons and oranges. But how can we measure the amount of vitamin C in a fruit? One simple method uses a special blue dye called DCPIP, short for dichlorophenolindophenol. Vitamin C is a reducing agent, and when present, it will reduce the blue DCPIP to its colorless form. We can compare the vitamin C content in samples such as lemon juice and orange juice using this technique. First, place 2 milliliters of 0.1% DCPIP solution into a test tube. Then, draw fresh lemon juice into a syringe and slowly add it to the test tube, shaking gently after each drop. The blue will fade and then suddenly disappear. Record the amount of juice needed to completely decolorize DCPIP solution. Repeat the same steps with orange juice, and record the amount of juice needed to decolorize the same amount of DCPIP solution. The less juice required to remove the blue color, the more vitamin C the juice contains. So, if it takes less lemon juice than orange juice to turn the solution colorless, lemons contain more vitamin C. This method can also be used to compare fresh juice with old juice, or to investigate how cooking affects vitamin C levels. If this video helped you understand better, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a bite-sized science lesson from EduTube. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and remember, science is simple.